Hey, let's see how to install Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint completely for free. To do that, open the browser that you use. Search for Office Deployment Tool. Then click on the very first link from Microsoft that appears. If you scroll down here, you will see a download option. Click on the download button. Then you can see it's downloading on the top right side. After it has downloaded, next search Office Customization Tool. Here click on the first link that appears. Here under which architecture do you want to deploy, select 64-bit. Then under Office Suites in the drop down, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021 Volume License. After that, scroll down. Under apps, select only the apps you need. For example, if you need only Word, enable just Word option and turn off everything else. Since I need Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint here, so I am enabling all three of them right now. After that, click Next. Select your preferred language here. Scroll down and click the Next button. Here as well, scroll down and click Next. Now, disable the option that says uninstall any MSI version of Office. Then, scroll down to the bottom and click the Next button. In Licensing and Activation tab as well, scroll down and click Next. Scroll down through General too and click Next. Finally, you are done. Click on the first button here. On the right side, you can see the file we just configured is ready. Click on the export at the top under default file format. Select Office Open XML format and click OK. Accept the terms and conditions here by clicking Allow and then click Export button. Now you can see the XML file downloading. After this, go to the files and open new folder there. Name it Office. Then move that XML file and the other downloaded file into this folder named Office. Next, right click on the application inside the folder and select Run as the administrator. Check the box that says click here to accept the Microsoft Word license terms and click Continue. Here, under Browser for folder, locate the new Office folder you created in your downloads. Click on it and press OK. Now, take that Office folder from your downloads and move it into the C folder. After that, search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click, select Run as Administrator. Here, type the command here exactly as I do. If you want, you can copy it from the video description. CD space C colon backslash Office. Then press Enter. After that, type setup space backslash configure configuration.xml. Once you press Enter, you will see the Microsoft Office downloading here. Wait until the installation is complete. As you can see, wait until it finishes loading. Once it's loaded, click Close to exit, then go to the Windows Start menu and search for Excel to see if the app downloaded. As you can see here, Excel has been downloaded. Similarly, open and check Word, check PowerPoint as well. All has been perfectly working. Everything has been installed perfectly here. So that's all for this video. Thank you everyone. Please make sure like and comment if it worked.